excited for this video, but nonetheless, it is the holiday season, and this is baby's first Christmas, although it's baby on board. First Christmas. I got these PJs from Target. This was $30 for the pant and the top. Super comfortable. And I also got socks that match. Those for $3. It comes in a pack. It had another pair of socks in it, but we are still making the Pregnatinis while we are watching our makeshift fireplace that I have here. Oh, look at the shot of the house from here. I absolutely love it. So $750,000 can get you this in Washington, D.C. in a very nice neighborhood. This means you don't get much. It's a beautiful home. You don't get much, but look at our Pregnatinis we are coming up with. My sister done made. These are super cute.
Little baby. Kiss for the baby.
This is good. This is definitely good. It's a lot of salt around the rim.
I know, but you know how to make it look good though.
I like the texture. It's kind of like creamsicle.
Yeah. Really good.
So this is a lot of the decorations that I got. I went to Target. I went to Dollar Tree because duh, we're not trying to pay no billions of dollars. This is also a Dollar Tree. And I don't know if you guys have this gym where you all live, but I got this stuff right here from Ollie's. I just got put on by one of my homegirls. I went Christmas, well, we were supposed to go look for me a tree. We were going to the Goodwill because she found a good deal at the Goodwill on a Christmas tree. You know, I'm trying to save money. We all love bargains. You know, I like to spend my money other places. You know, I love Christmas, but ain't nobody trying to pay like $500 to decorate their home. So she ended up selling me her Christmas tree. This is the Christmas tree that she found at the Goodwill. And she said it was $40, and she sold it to me for $40 because she had already bought a Christmas tree from Michael's, and her Christmas tree was frosted. Now originally I wanted a frosted Christmas tree and I wanted a 9-footer, but this is still good. This is 7.5 feet, and let me just show you how tall it is. So it does fill in the space. So we're going to go ahead and jump right on into decorating our Christmas tree. So I got the ribbon that's on the tree from the Dollar Tree. It mimics the pajama set that I have on, the same pattern that I have on. And that's what inspired this look that I went for the Christmas tree. You know, we got to have a little twerk session in between doing, you know, grown folks business. But anyways, here are some more decorations that I got from the Dollar Tree. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees in my area, and they both had different ornaments. So you want to make sure you shop around and not just stop at the first place. So you want to take all of your items because they're not going to all be the same, and you want to disperse them around whatever part of the tree is going to be showing. And we went ahead and we turned off the lights to see what it would look like. And you want to just kind of play around with your tree and fluff up everything. So the ornaments that are like my ornament balls, I got those from the place Ollie's that I mentioned earlier in the video. I love them. They had a 32 set for, I think it was like $5, and I didn't use all of my ornaments in there. So as you can see, I kind of have like a ghetto situation going on. That is a robe, my white robe, because I forgot to buy a Christmas tree skirt. But this is an up close view and look of the Christmas tree. I have a lot of glitter because I love bling. I love the pattern, the plaid pattern. So I got a lot of my ornaments with plaid patterns. I have some Santa Claus head, some snowman head with that. You see, there it is. So yeah, you kind of zoom in and you want to get different things that all look like they belong together, but they're different. And I went with the theme of red and gold because I absolutely love that look. I thought it was very, very chic. And I also thought it was like very, very fancy and high class. And it kind of reminded me of designer trees that I saw in Macy's and different department stores. So that's kind of where I got my inspiration. Now, you know, you can't do Christmas decorations without baking you some cookies. We went and got these ghetto ass chips. I don't even know what chocolate chip cookie.
Honestly, can you scrunch your legs? Oh, you are pregnant. Because I don't want to get your couch. Like, that's over there. I can see that.
Once I got my Christmas tree together and we had the cookies, it was a perfect time to sit there and try to take some holiday pictures. You want to just make sure you do something cute. Now, my sister didn't know much about how to use my camera. She was trying to do some zooming in action, but I thought these were pretty cute pictures, especially because it's my first time having a baby. And, you know, it's my first holiday in my own home. I really love my house and I love my Christmas tree. I love this time of year. So this is just perfect. You guys can go ahead and continue to watch the clip. And I just want to thank you guys so much for coming along for the journey of decorating my first Christmas tree in my new home. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is my sister Mercedes again. You guys can follow her on Instagram at
more_of_Marina
on Instagram, and you can follow me at Temperance_. Of course, everything is going to be in the description box below. If you don't remember, I got all of my decor from Ollie's, Target, and
Dollar General?
Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna get more stuff from where is it, Walmart. So yeah, so again guys, love you. Make sure you have a great holiday.